Hi friends, welcome to my channel Electronic Secret. This video features Samsung HG40 AE690 DK model. I am sharing you the method how to factory reset a Samsung TV. Viewers, watch video till end, subscribe my channel and like the video. I will show you how to open or access secret service factory menu code of this Samsung TV and all similar models. Viewers, watch the video complete. Don't skip any part. I will share with you the complete method. Viewers, from the remote press info, settings, mute, then power key. Info, setting or menu key, then viewers mute key, then power key. This will power on the TV and a factory service menu will be opened. Viewers, method number 1 is when your factory settings are opened, you will find an option, hit OK. In this menu you will find a factory reset option on the top, as you can see in the TV. Hit it OK. Now press OK again on the factory reset. Your TV will be automatically powered off. Wait for some time, about 30 seconds. Then power on the TV from the remote key, and the basic settings of the TV are shown. Now your TV is reset to its factory settings. Method number 2 is, viewers, in the sub menu option you can find a settings like on the second last. You can see that there is a TV reset option. Go there, scroll down to TV reset and hit OK. It will prompt for the TV reset. Press again OK from the remote. Wait for some times. This will also reset your TV to its factory settings. Then power on the TV and you can find the basic main menu of the TV. Friends, there is a warning, so kindly read it carefully before doing a factory reset. Viewers, if you don't know the exact value or the setting, then don't try to change these in factory mode, because if you put the wrong values, your TV will become unserviceable. So always be sure to change the settings. In this menu you can change the TV mode like hotel mode and hospitality mode and other things like that. You can change the input settings, source settings, sound settings, network settings and other all settings, and also you can change the pin and country region and menu settings. So if you have complete idea to change the settings, then you can do. Otherwise, stay tuned to my channel. I will show you how to change the settings of Samsung TV and use it. Also, you can ask in comment section if you have any problem. Let us know this code and video helps you. If not, then ask in comment section. I will give you other secret codes to open service menu of Samsung TVs. Do subscribe our channel. It's a free service of repairing and troubleshooting TVs.